Hey, Anton here from GT Canada. Today I want to show you a quick video on suck gates. Do they work or do they not work? This is the definitive proof. You're gonna see it right now. Side-by-side wave of it on and off. If you haven't seen it, here's a video of the suck gate that I'm using. Made it myself. You can make yours too. Here it is, side-by-side video. So there it is, definitive proof that a suck gate does make a difference to your wave. You'll notice the one without the suck gate has a bit more wash on it, and then with the suck gate it's a lot cleaner face. The wave size should be about the same, and it is. In the video it looks like it's about the same size, but the suck gate really helps to clean that face out a whole lot better than without. So there you have it, surfing with and without. I have not changed the ballast at all. It's just one shot and straight to another shot. Be sure to leave comments below, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. And I got some more to check out right here as well. Right here as well.